Hey everyone, welcome back to the SAT Math series. In today's video 12, we're diving deep into one of the most important and high-scoring topics on the SAT, systems of equations. We'll cover what systems are, 3 solving methods, SAT shortcuts, and traps, word problems, and real SAT-style practice questions. So grab your notebook, and let's get started. A system of equations is simply 2 or more equations with the same variables. Here's a basic example. Our goal is to find values of x and y that satisfy both equations at the same time. Think of each equation as a line. The solution is where the lines intersect. There are 3 possible outcomes: one solution, no solution, or infinite solutions. Method 1, substitution. This is best when one equation is already solved for a variable. Here's an example. We'll replace y in the second equation with 2x plus 3, then solve. Step 1, substitute. Step 2, simplify. Step 3, solve for x. Step 4, plug back to get y. SAT tip: if a variable is already isolated, substitution is usually the fastest method. Method 2, elimination. This is often the fastest on the SAT. If coefficients match, you can add or subtract right away. Add the equations to eliminate y, then solve for x. Finally, plug back to find y. SAT shortcut: if the coefficients already match, go straight to elimination. Don't waste time rearranging. Method 3 is graphing. It's useful conceptually, but not usually efficient on the SAT unless the question specifically asks for an intersection or gives a graph. The intersection point is the solution. Sometimes the SAT doesn't ask for x and y. Instead, it asks for an expression like x plus y or 2x plus 3y. If the expression is already given, do not solve. Here, x plus y is already 10. Now, let's tackle word problems. The key is careful translation. Example: the sum of 2 numbers is 20. Their difference is 4. Find the numbers. Let x be the first number and y be the second. Translate into equations, then solve by elimination. Word problem tip: most mistakes happen in translation, not in solving. Slow down when you define variables and write equations. Now, a harder SAT-style problem. We'll eliminate by adding the equations. Add to eliminate y, solve for x, then plug back to solve for y. Let's quickly go over common mistakes: forgetting to plug back, sign errors, solving when not needed, and misreading word problems. All right, that's it for today's lesson. If you understood this, you're already ahead of most SAT students. Next video, we'll move into inequalities and advanced problem solving. Practice at least 10 system problems today and focus on speed and accuracy. I'll see you in the next video.